Hi everyone, I'm Katie Adib. I'm one of the Pulmonary Critical Care Chief Fellows.
And I'm Austin Herbst. I'm the other Pulmonary and Critical Care Chief Fellow.
And we wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea of why we chose OSU and what we love so much about this program.
So when I was looking for programs for pulmonary and critical care, Ohio State really stuck out pretty quickly. I was looking for something that had a strong clinical training, a really strong clinical focus with a busy service, both in the ICU and in pulmonary, as well as somewhere that would allow me to pursue my academic interests of global health and health access. And Ohio State was really the perfect combination.
I had a lot of similar reasons to come to OSU as Austin does. I was lucky and fortunate enough to be here for residency and just saw how great the program was firsthand. The fellows really were integrated throughout the whole hospital. The clinical training seemed so strong with a high number of ICU beds, and I really liked the collegiality that was between the fellows and the attendings, and really appreciated the vast amount of support that you would have, whether you wanted to pursue research or whether you wanted to pursue medical education or health access and health services.
So the day in the life of a fellow involves one of our multiple busy services. We have a really robust ICU with multiple different teams that the fellows are expected to run. We do all of our procedures in the ICU, so as Katie mentioned earlier, intubations, chest tubes, bronchoscopies, a lot of really great exposure, something that I'd never really been exposed to before fellowship. Our consult service is really busy as well. We have two primary ones, one in the James, which is our cancer hospital, and one in the Ross, which is our heart hospital, and we see patients who have pulmonary issues related to those underlying conditions, but then we also see a pretty diverse population of general pulmonary as well and common complications that lead to hospitalization.
Austin and I both alluded to research and medical education. We've got 5 different tracks that you can choose from to help best explore your career and build your resume. We have fellows who do basic science and have been on T32s. We've had people who have created their own electives, so people who have done radiation oncology, environmental health. Really, your world is your oyster here, and our department's really great at making sure they find the resources to connect you to who you need. And part of that is mentorship, whether it's within our department or even outside of our department, like in microbiology. Our leadership has really great access to the people around OSU.
Not to mention, Columbus is a really great city to explore. Our fellowship class has been really close and gotten to explore the city and spend time together. We have a regular book club that we meet probably every couple months to talk about books, hang out at different sites in the city, and get to spend time with each other and support each other through fellowship.
Yeah, Columbus is a really vibrant city. It's grown a lot over the past few years, and as someone who was here for residency, part of the reason that was hard to leave was I just fell in love with the city. The people are really great. There's so many great activities to do, whether it's you like going to bars or breweries or different restaurants. We have a couple of restaurants that are owned by a top chef who is on the show. We've got great outdoor activities. I'm an avid biker and bike to work often, but our trails are great. They connect all of Ohio. We've got a couple of marathons that happen throughout the year, and we've got a lot of people from our program who will participate in those.
Columbus has a really great sports scene as well. The Buckeyes, as many of you probably know, won the national championship in football this year, but there are also a lot of really great college sports here in the city. On top of that, we have several professional sports teams as well, a minor league baseball team, a professional soccer team, a women's volleyball team that just started here, and then we're also a short drive away from other cities that have other major professional sports teams as well. It's a really great city with a lot of things to explore, and we hope you check out our program.
Go Bucks!